Hi students, in today's video we are going to discuss the remaining part of our fifth chapter, that is physiological parameter. In first and second part we studied the certain physiological constant, in that pulse rate or heart rate, then body temperature, third that is clotting time of blood, then blood pressure, then hemoglobin count, RBC count, WBC count, then differential leukocyte count, erythrocyte, sediment, and blood cholesterol, blood sugar, and last one that is sperm count. In this third part we will discuss or continued with next point, that is urine analysis. In that, physical tests are important in urine analysis. Then second, chemical test, and third one that is microscopic test. In urine there are three tests, that is physical test, chemical test, microscopic test. In physical test, in that color in male, in that faint yellow, then appearance clear, odor aromatic, volume 350 to 500 ml, specific gravity in that 1.02 to 1.03, and reaction in that slightly acidic. These are the physical tests of urine analysis. All these indicates the urine sample is physiological, otherwise the sample is pathological. In female, all these indicates the urine sample is physiological, otherwise the sample is pathological. Color, appearance, odor, volume, specific gravity, and reaction. These are the physical test in urine analysis. Then second, that is chemical test. In that chemical test, in that protein, that is albumin count, then sugar, that is glucose, then bile salts, then ketone bodies and blood cells. These are the 5 parameters comes under in chemical test. In that normal value of chemical test, in that protein, that is albumin count, हा जो असणार आहे तो abnormal constituent. All parameters are normal value, that is abnormal constituent. In significance, in that protein, that is proteinuria, that is albuminuria, then albinuria, then nephritis, pyelonephritis, pregnancy, and high protein meal. In that proteins सिग्निफिकन्स काय आहे, ह्या कशासाठी टेस्ट यूज केल्या जातात, फॉर व्हॉट पर्पज these chemical tests are carried out. In that significance will mention that proteinuria, that is albinuria, then pyelonephritis, pregnancy, then high protein meal. These are the protein chemical test. Then second one is sugar, that is abnormal constituents, normal value. In that glucosuria, that is diabetes. ही कशासाठी टेस्ट केली जाते, डायबिटीज किती प्रमाणात आहे शरीरात ते चेक करण्यासाठी शुगर टेस्ट केली जाते. इन बाइल सॉल्ट, दॅट इज सोडियम टॉरोचोलेट आणि सोडियम ग्लायकोचोलेट. In that abnormal constituents and used for jaundice. Significance काय, jaundice. Bile salts and bile pigments. In that bile salts, sodium taurocholate and sodium glycocholate. In that bile pigments, bilirubin and biliverdin. These are normal values, that is abnormal constituents, and in significance it consists that jaundice. Then ketone bodies, in that abnormal constituents, ketonuria, that is ketosis, and hypoglycemia. In that blood cells count, in that abnormal constituents, hematuria, acute inflammation of urinary organs, cancer, kidney stone, hemolysis due to poisons. Hemolysis due to poisons. Then third one, that is microscopic test. In that RBCs, pulse cells, cystis, then epithelial cells and casts. Normal value of RBC and pulse cells not described. And significance, in that RBC test, damage to glomerular filters, then tumor of bladder or kidney nephritis, then bleeding lesion in the urinary tract. In that, these are the important for RBC टेस्ट. मायक्रोस्कोपिक टेस्ट कोणत्या आहेत? RBC, pus cells आणि cystis, epithelial cells, then casts. In that pus cells, normal value not described, then RBC with pus indicates pyelonephritis. Cystitis, normal value appears after long time, not significant. Significance is described. In epithelial cells, it is traces in normal urine. In that, hemorrhagic and degenerative nephritis. Hemorrhagic and degenerative nephritis. In cast, it traces in normal urine. In that, renal irritation causes increased amounts. Renal irritation. In that cast, traces in normal urine. These are the urine analysis tests. In that, physical test, chemical test and microscopic test. Then in next point, we will discuss CSF examination. In that, cerebrospinal fluid examination. In that, properties, taste, normal value and significance. In that properties, it is clear, colorless fluid, cerebrospinal fluid examination. In that, normal value, it is clear, colorless fluid which does not clot on standing. The specific gravity is 1.003 and the cells present are only lymphocytes with count of 6 per cubic millimeter. In color, in that abnormal value, that is brownish color. Then presence of blood due to subbranchoid hemorrhage. In that, presence of blood due to subbranchoid hemorrhage. It is brownish color. Yellow असेल तर due to hemoglobin conversion to bilirubin or because of spinal tumor or increased protein level in CSF. Yellow color कधी दाखवतं? Due to hemoglobin conversion to bilirubin or because of because of spinal tumor or increased protein level in CSF. In turbidity, will show abnormal. It is presence of great number of cells or organisms cause turbidity. Example is pneumococcal meningitis. Presence of few RBCs cause smoky appearance to CSF. Turbidity कधी दाखवते? At abnormal value, normal value abnormal आहे. In presence of great number of cells or organisms cause turbidity. Example is pneumococcal meningitis. Presence of few RBCs cause smoky appearance to CSF. Coagulum, in that, if CSF is allowed to stand overnight, it forms clot, indicating the disease of TB. Cerebrospinal fluid जे आहे ते जर का overnight ठेवलं, overnight stands, then it forms clot, and that indicates disease TB, that is tuberculosis. In CSF solidifies on standing in patients with spinal tumor. CSF सॉलिडिफाय झालं तर ते काय शो करतं, स्टँडिंग पेशंट्स विथ स्पायनल ट्यूमर. And great increase of proteins in CSF gives fibrin clots on standing. Then fifth, that is microscopic test for cells. Only few, that is 0 to 5 WBC per cubic millimeter RBC are present. Observe whether crenated or normocytic. These are the microscopic tests for cells. In that only few 0 to 5 WBC per cubic millimeter. It show if RBCs are present or observe whether crenated or normocytic. Then chemical test. In that protein, glucose and chlorides. Protein, glucose and chlorides. In protein, it is 15 to 45 mg%. Increased protein content manifests the inflammation, toxicity, tumors of brain and spinal cord. Increased protein content manifests that inflammation, toxicity, tumors of brain and spinal cord. In that protein, normal value indicates 15 to 45 mg%. In glucose, 40 to 70% mg%. In fasting adult, fasting means upvas. If CSF sugar decreases, then it indicates meningitis. 10 to 25 mg% supportive meningitis. 20 to 40 mg% tuberculosis meningitis. 30 to 45 mg% Spalz's meningitis, syphilis. Then CSF glucose level increases to 70 to 100 mg% in diabetes mellitus, brain tumors and encephalitis. These are the significance when glucose normal level is 40 to 70 mg% in fasting adult. Then chlorides test. In that 650 to 750 mg%, the CSF chlorides decreases to 600 mg% or sometimes to 450 mg% in tuberculous meningitis, hence useful in diagnosis. In chloride test, 650 to 750 mg%. In that the significance shows the CSF chlorides decreases to 600 mg% or sometimes to 450 mg% in tuberculous meningitis, hence useful in diagnosis. These are the CSF examination. In that, first that is properties, then first one test that is color test, second turbidity test, third one is coagulum, fourth microscopic test for cells, then chemical test, in that protein, glucose and chlorides. These are the some tests useful for CSF examination. Then next point, in that stool examination. In that test normal value and significance. In physical test, in that consistency, color, odor and mucus. In that normal value, consistency shows semi-solid. In significance, liquid stools in pathogenic bacterial and amoeba infections. In that color, brownish due to stercobilin. That is, internal hemorrhage may change the color. Internal hemorrhage may change the color. In color, that is brownish due to stercobilin. Odor, in that characteristics due to indole and scatol. Characteristics due to indole and scatol. In that ulceration in rectum may give fuel odor. Mucus very less amount, excessive loss in conditions like dysentery, amoebiasis and colitis. These are the stool examination test. It is physical test for stool examination. In that, consistency, color, odor and mucus. Then microscopic test for cells, that is amoebic dysentery, RBCs, mucus and pus cells, then bacillary dysentery, macrophage and pus cell. It is the significance for microscopic test of cells. Then crystals, in that ulcerative lesions of intestine shows colorless or calcium oxalate or calcium carbonate crystals of needle shaped. Hemorrhage brownish needs. In that crystals, significance mention that ulcerative lesions of intestine shows colorless calcium oxalate calcium carbonate crystals of needle shaped. In hemorrhage, in that brownish needles are observed. Then parasites and eggs, in that various protozoals like E. coli and worms are present in the stool. Various protozoals like E. coli and worms are present in the stools. In chemical examination, in that similar to urine analysis. These are the chemical examination. These are the stool examination test. In that, physical test, microscopic test and chemical examination. In some other physiological values, that is some parameter, it includes that bleeding time, that is Stuck's method, 0 to 7 minutes, blood volume 65 to 85 ml per kilogram, then packed cell volume, that is hematocyte value, that men 40 to 55%, women in that 35 to 50%, pH of blood in that 7.35 to 7.45, then thrombin time, that is 10 to 14 seconds. In that, chemical substance are included, that quantity in plasma serums, urine. So in this lecture we will discuss the urine analysis test, then CSF examination, and last one, that is stool examination. In that, so students aware, if fifth chapter, that is physiological parameter, is ends up with this lecture. So thank you.